Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Mazda 3.3 Skyactiv-D engine is a relatively new and significant addition to Mazda's powertrain lineup, especially for larger vehicles. It represents a continued commitment to internal combustion engines, particularly diesel, but with a strong focus on efficiency and meeting modern emission standards. History and versions. The 3.3 Skyactiv-D engine code T3 VPTS, was introduced as part of Mazda's large product group, specifically debuting in the Mazda CX-60 in Europe and other markets around 2022 to 2023. This engine is noteworthy for several reasons. Inline-6 configuration. It's Mazda's first inline-6 engine in many years, a configuration known for its inherent balance and smoothness. This design contributes significantly to its refinement. Right-sizing concept. Mazda emphasizes a right-sizing approach, arguing that a larger displacement, in combination with advanced combustion technology, can be more efficient and produce fewer harmful emissions under real-world driving conditions than smaller, highly stressed engines, especially in larger vehicles. Distribution-controlled multiple injection system. This new high-precision injection system is designed to improve combustion efficiency and reduce emissions. Hybrid boost. Mild hybrid system. The 3.3 Skyactiv-D is integrated with Mazda's 48V hybrid boost system. This mild hybrid setup includes an electric motor and battery, which assists the engine, reduce fuel consumption, and improve responsiveness, especially during start-stop operation and low-speed driving. The electric motor provides 12.4 kilowatts, 16.9 PS, and 153 Newton-meters of torque assistance. It is primarily offered in a single, high-output version producing 187 kilowatts, 254 PS/251 horsepower, and a substantial 550 Newton-meters, 406 lb-ft, of torque. This power output allows for strong performance, with the CX 63.3 Skyactiv-D achieving 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in approximately 7.3 seconds. Reviews and opinions. Initial reviews of the 3.3 Skyactiv-D in the Mazda CX-60 have been largely positive, particularly highlighting exceptional refinement and smoothness. The inline-6 configuration is frequently praised for its inherent balance, leading to very smooth and quiet operation, especially for a diesel. Many reviewers note its car-like refinement. Strong, effortless performance. The combination of significant power and torque, coupled with a mild hybrid boost, provides strong acceleration and effortless cruising, particularly on highways. It's described as feeling very potent for its class. Impressive real-world fuel economy. This is a major highlight. Despite its large displacement and power, the engine delivers surprisingly good real-world fuel economy figures, often outperforming official ratings in certain driving conditions. Premium feel. The engine's characteristics contribute to a more premium driving experience compared to many four-cylinder diesel rivals. Some minor criticisms might include the initial cost of the diesel variant compared to the petrol or PHEV options, and that, like all diesels, it performs best on longer runs. Advantages. Outstanding fuel economy. A standout feature, offering excellent efficiency for a vehicle of the CX-60 size and weight. High performance. Robust power and torque ensure strong acceleration and confident overtaking. Exceptional refinement. The inline-6 layout provides smooth, quiet operation, contributing to a comfortable cabin environment. Mild hybrid integration. The hybrid boost system enhances efficiency, provides a smoother start-stop, and offers an extra surge of power. Reduced NOx emissions. Designed to meet stringent Euro 6D emission standards without necessarily relying solely on AdBlue, though some version/markets may use it for additional compliance, thanks to its advanced combustion and right-sizing approach. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, which is designed for the engine's lifetime, reducing maintenance requirements. Disadvantages. Higher initial cost. Diesel models often come with a higher purchase price than petrol equivalents. Diesel specifics. While highly refined, it is still a diesel, meaning it might not be ideal for predominantly short city trips where the DPF, diesel particulate filter, might struggle to regenerate effectively. Weight. As a larger engine, it adds more weight compared to smaller four-cylinder alternatives. Faults and breakdowns. As a relatively new engine, long-term fault data for the 3.3 Skyactiv-D is still limited. However, based on Mazda's Skyactiv-D philosophy and common diesel engine characteristics, potential areas to monitor, though not necessarily confirmed widespread faults yet, could include DPF system. While designed to be efficient, any diesel with a DPF can suffer from clogging if consistently used for short journeys that prevent proper regeneration. The mild hybrid system might help alleviate this slightly by assisting with smoother starts and potentially reducing engine load in certain scenarios. EGR system and carbon buildup. All modern diesels with EGR systems are susceptible to carbon buildup over time, which can affect efficiency and potentially lead to warning lights. AdBlue system. If equipped, if a version uses AdBlue, issues with the AdBlue tank, pump, or injector can occur, as with any vehicle utilizing this system. Mazda has a track record of continuously improving its Skyactiv-D engines, and the 3.3-liter unit benefits from this accumulated experience, aiming for higher reliability than earlier generations of Mazda diesels. Fuel consumption. The fuel consumption of the 3.3 Skyactiv-D is a significant selling point, especially considering its power and the size of the vehicles it powers. Official WLTP combined. For the Mazda CX, 63.3 Skyactiv-D. Official figures are remarkably low for its class, typically around 5.3 L/100 km, approximate 53.3 miles per gallon imperial or 44.4 miles per gallon US. Real world. Many reviews and owner reports suggest that these figures are very achievable in real-world driving. Some tests have even shown it can outperform its official figures on long highway runs, reaching into the high 50s or even 60 miles per gallon imperial. This is largely due to the engine's right sizing and the efficiency gains from the mild hybrid system. Timing. The Mazda 3.3 Skyactiv-D engine uses a timing chain. This is consistent with Mazda's approach for its Skyactiv engines. Timing chains are designed to last the entire lifespan of the engine under normal operating conditions and regular maintenance, meaning there is no scheduled replacement interval, which reduces long-term maintenance costs for the owner. Oil. For the Mazda 3.3 Skyactiv-D engine, specific oil recommendations are crucial for optimal performance and longevity, especially given the advanced combustion and emissions control systems. Recommended viscosity. Typically, a SAE 0W20 viscosity is specified. This is a very low viscosity oil, which helps reduce internal friction and improve fuel efficiency, a key aspect of Skyactiv technology. Required specification. The oil must meet specific Mazda proprietary standards or industry specifications that are compatible with the engine's design and emission control systems. For Euro 6D compliant diesels with DPFs, an ACES C5 specification is often required, indicating a low SAPS, sulfate, phosphorus, sulfur, oil that also allows for fuel economy benefit from its low high temperature high shear, HDHS, viscosity. Always refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for the precise and most up-to-date oil specification. Capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 6.7 to 7.0 liters, reflecting its inline-six configuration and larger displacement. Using the correct oil specification is paramount to ensure the proper functioning of the DPF, turbocharger, and the overall longevity of this highly engineered engine. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.